Up.
What?
Nice. Up. There's Matthew. Car wash, car wash. Let's do the car wash.
Yeah.
Wow, huh? Wowzers. Wowzers is right, buddy. Wowzers is right. I just hope this car is conducive to these kind of car washes, because you know, you never know until you take it. I think with the mirrors folded in, we should be good. What is it? Shake. Oh, here we go into the belly of the car wash. Ah, there's Matthew. He doesn't know what's going on with his belly button. Let's see the belly button. Oh, it's a belly button. A belly button. Look out. We're in the belly button of the way out. No. Oh, no. All right. Whoa. Matthew, say dada. Car wash. Say car wash. Car. Wash. Whoa. Oh, spinning around. Walnut spinning around. Go away, big red mouth. Hey, Matthew, how do you like beat the cat puzzle? Did you like your puzzle? Beat the cat? We're getting beaten up by the car wash, everybody! Matt, we love a Matt. Matt and pants, new shoes. Get yourself a Matt. Here comes the drying towel. There it is. A wee! Here goes the dryer. Wee! Hey, Matthew. That's the face of the Matthew. Oh, that's a Matthew boy. Giant towels. They're just giant towels. That's all they are. They want us to drive safe. That's what they want us to do. They also want us to send us feedback. Is there a little thing down there like a website? If there is, I can't tell you what it says. Backpacks, come get your backpacks. Boots and pants. New shoes. Get yourself an outfit. I want everybody to see this. Now look at this. You see what that car wash code is? All done. You see this one? This one. Alright, time to go, dude. Trying to something else. New shoes. So we got the car washed, right? Gas is inside of it. So we got the gasolina on Bubba Gasso. Tell me how the gasso. I'll be right back.
Mhm.